Welcome to Little Learning Land, where every story teaches something beautiful. Today, we have a very special story for you, The Little Fox and the Rainy Day. Once upon a time, there was a little fox named Felix. He loved sunny days. He loved the tall green trees. He loved running through the flowers. But one day, the clouds came, the rain fell down, and little Felix got very wet. He tried to hide under a leaf, but the rain kept falling. Then he saw something warm, a glowing cave, and inside, a family of little rabbits. A tiny rabbit looked at Felix and smiled and waved him in. Felix stepped inside. The rabbit wrapped a soft blanket around him. Felix's tail began to wag, slowly at first, then faster and faster. He was warm. He was safe. He had a friend. When the sun came back out, Felix and the rabbits ran outside together. They jumped in puddles. They laughed. They played. And Felix learned something beautiful that day. Kindness needs no words. A smile and open arms say everything. Remember, little ones, whenever someone needs help, open your heart, just like the little rabbit did. Thank you so much for watching Little Learning Land. If you love this story, ask a grown-up to press the like button and subscribe so we can bring you more beautiful stories every week. See you next time, sweet friends. Bye-bye.